Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in kitchen gadgets and tools. Today, we're diving into the world of baking with the NutriChef Non-Stick Kitchen Oven baking pans. Let's get started. If you're in search of the best non-stick cookie sheets on the market, look no further. The NutriChef Non-Stick Kitchen Oven baking pans are here to revolutionize your baking experience. With their deluxe design and stylish non-stick gray coating, these pans are a must-have for any home chef. What sets these pans apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, they come in a convenient 3-piece set, including small, medium, and large sizes, ensuring you have the perfect pan for any baking task. The non-stick coating is PTFE, PFOA, PFOS-free, which means you can bake with confidence knowing that your food will easily release from the pans every time. Plus, cleanup is a breeze, whether you wash them by hand or toss them in the dishwasher. But what about safety and convenience? These pans feature bold-colored, commercial-grade red silicone handles, providing the confident grasp when taking them out of the oven. And with their oven-safe design up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, you can bake with peace of mind. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the quality, durability, and ease of use of these baking pans. From baking cookies to roasting vegetables, they're a versatile addition to any kitchen. Compared to other brands on the market, the NutriChef Non-Stick Kitchen Oven baking pans stand out for their superior performance and value. With thousands of satisfied customers worldwide, it's no wonder they're a top choice for home bakers everywhere. So there you have it, folks. If you're in need of the best non-stick cookie sheets, look no further than the NutriChef Non-Stick Kitchen Oven baking pans. With their durable construction, easy-to-clean design, and unbeatable performance, they're sure to become your new favorite baking essential. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and happy baking!